Oh hey, didn't see you there due to my crippling neck, back and shoulder pain. That's why I'm going to take a little break from work for a second to go through 3 of the best stretches that you can do right from your desk. You don't even have to stand up. How awesome is that? So, first thing I want to think about is upper back. If we're sitting like this all day long, we're going to get clumped up, we're going to feel icky. So what we want to do is do the complete reverse of that. So we're going to block elbow into your thigh, and then hold on to your belly and just rotate yourself up as far as you can. So you're trying to point this elbow over to the sky as much as you can. You can lean down a little bit, rotate a bit further. Take a deep breath when you're here, and then breathe out. And what you'll notice that I do there, when I do that, is I rotate a little bit further as I breathe out. So I go as far as I can first to take a deep breath in, and then just watch this elbow. And I open up the ribs, I open up the upper back. It's going to make me feel like I'm a bit taller and like I can take on the day. Next thing I want to do is relax my neck. So if I'm sitting in one position all day, like think about just even today, think when is the last time you've turned your head in all the directions it can possibly go. You can look left, right, up, down, you can go side to side, you can do all them things. It's important to do them every day, otherwise your neck becomes fused to your body and you start turning around like this. And you know, it looks kind of weird. So what we want to do, we may as well throw in a bit of shoulder retraction while we're here. So open up the pecs, squeeze back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, get some good movement into the shoulder blades, and then from there just lean your head to one side and just go up and down like this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then just lean to the other side and go up and down 5 times. 1, 2, and if you're following along right now, 3. I can tell that you're agreeing with me. 4, and 5, and then shake it off. And the very last one that I want to think about is if you're sitting typing all day, your wrists are stuck in this horrible position all day, so you just want to do the complete flip of that, and you want to grab on and just stretch the wrists like this through flexion. So if you're slightly extended all day, you'll get really, really stiff forearms, not going to know your elbows and all kinds of stuff. So what we want to do is just go the complete flip side of that, stretch out, rotate the elbow like this and get a nice wee bit of stretch on. Put a bit of pressure on this and just a few reps on each side. And then just for good measure, do the complete extension. So go all the way as you can. So if you're only sitting like this all day, you're only getting to this much, so just go all the way. Get full range of motion into your joints and they'll feel good. If this is too much, just don't push as hard. But eventually you want to be able to take this down to the floor and be able to do it on the floor too. And then the other side. So we've opened up our upper back, we have relaxed our neck, and we have given our wrists a little bit of a stretch. Next thing you want to do when you get up is activate your butt. So if you've been sitting all day, your hips are closed, you're going to feel a bit stiff and tight. So whenever you stand up next, you get the chance, you squeeze your butt as hard as you can, and you hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Take a few breaks throughout the day. Do that, and you will feel absolutely awesome. And if you're still here, go to the website and check out the simplistic mobility method. I'm not typing.